We lost one of the talented actors of Bollywood, Sushant Singh Rajput, on 14th of June 2020. It has been 7 months that the unfortunate incident happened already. The Mumbai police declared back then that the actor had taken his own life. Later, the case got into the hands of Central Bureau of Investigation, and the government body is still investigating the case. But what is the current status of the investigation after 7 months of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise? Let us find out all the details about the present progress of the case in this video. It has been more than 7 months that Sushant has left us, but CBI is still investigating the case. After all these months of investigation, CBI is yet to declare if that was a case of suicide or homicide. Recently, BJP MLA Subramaniam Swamy has asked the CBI to provide an update on the case publicly. CBI has responded to this request of the BJP MLA and revealed that CBI is thoroughly looking into every evidences. The agency is using the latest scientific techniques for this case. CBI has also added in their statement that they will be using the cell towers too. The cell towers will be used to detect the locations of few suspicious persons whose name has come forward in the case. The CBI officials have also visited many cities in the country to collect evidences for this case. The officials have also gone to the Cooper Hospital to have words with the doctors who conducted the post-mortem. Throughout this investigation, AIIMS doctors have ruled out the theory of foul play in this case. CBI has not yet said that when they will be finally concluding the case. What do you think when there will be a final conclusion from CBI side for this case? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.